Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Jeep Liberty. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Then, safely raise the front of your Jeep using a jack and secure it with jack stands. This provides crucial access and ensures your safety throughout the repair process. Now, let's locate the starter motor. It's usually found on the passenger side of the engine, near the transmission. Carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. These connections are often secured with nuts. Once the wires are free, remove the two mounting bolts that hold the starter in place. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter into its mounting bracket. Insert and tighten the two mounting bolts to secure it firmly. Next, reconnect the main power cable and the solenoid wire to their respective terminals on the new starter. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery cable to restore power to your vehicle. Before lowering the Jeep, attempt to start the engine to verify the new starter is working properly. Listen for a strong crank. Once confirmed, carefully remove the jack stands and lower your vehicle back to the ground. You've successfully replaced your starter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.